I got a show on Amazon Prime by calling and raising my hand. I'm like, hey, if you, and I'm not going to say who the guy was, but the show was 60 Day Hustle. Episode 1, I was the premiere, the kickoff to that show. I was the coach on this. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was not their first choice. Sorry, a guy from a little show called Shark Tank was. Apparently he had a family emergency. But because I had called and just raised my hand and say, hey, I just want to let you know I'm out here. You guys ever doing any projects? You want somebody to understand sales, how to communicate, how to be more skillful both in business and life. I'm a friend of yours, whatever you guys need. Next thing I know, I'm sitting there at dinner with my wife and my son and the phone rings. And I'm like, I don't know who this is. Let it go to voicemail. Okay? Before I could even read the voicemail, phone rings again. It rings a third time. I'm like, I don't know. Somebody must be in trouble, right? Or I'm going to be really mad at this cold caller. And I answer, it's a freaking production company from Amazon Prime. And they're like, hey, you had reached out to so-and-so and let them know we got a real problem. Can you be in Burbank, California? I'm like, when? They're like, tomorrow morning by 8 a.m.? I'm like, what's this for? They're like, we need you to film a show. And I'm like, what do I talk about? They're like, you're great. We'll figure it out. We'll bring you up to speed when you get here. Can you be here? I was like, yes, I can. I did pay for, I didn't even ask them to pay for it. I'm sure they would have. Adam, same thing as you. I got my butt to the airport, right? I grabbed a suit, went to the airport, and I'm like, boom. And now I'm on a TV show. And it's all because I raised my freaking hand like 8 months prior. Like, I don't even remember making that call, but apparently, because I make 5 of these a day, I called the production company, right? Same way I called CBT News, who I'm a regular on now. At once a month, I'm on that network. That's all because I just reached out to them and raised my hand. Guys, you guys can do this too. You just need to, Adam just made the call. If Adam didn't make the call, he wouldn't have been on that TV show, right? And by the way, he's going to get so much out of this because he gets confidence, he gets credibility, you're going to have B-roll, you're going to be able to say, as seen on XYZ show, right now, you just elevated your brand by probably $1 million, and all in just 1, the time it took you to raise your hand, and then 2, and it was some time, energy, and effort to get out there and support them. Super cool experience. All of us could be doing stuff like this. Hey, if you like this video, I'm going to get you closing more deals. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass, normally $300. Click the link here or in my bio. I will pick up all the costs for you. It's on me. Click the link. Let's get you closing.